In this video, I will show you how to delete a TikTok video. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. And here you will see all the videos that you have uploaded on TikTok. Now scroll through your profile and find the video you want to delete. And once you have located it, click on the video to open it. While the video is playing, you will see several icons on the right side of the screen. Click on three dots and a menu will pop up with several options. Now you can scroll through until you see delete at the bottom of the list. So click on delete and TikTok will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the video. If you're sure, then click on delete. And once deleted, your video will be permanently removed from TikTok and would not appear on your profile or anywhere else on the platform. Be aware that once you delete a video, it's gone forever. There is no way to recover it, so make sure you really want to delete the video before confirming.